Namaste everyone. Welcome to this daily 30-minute yoga session by Yogway. I am Gurjeet Kaur, a certified yoga instructor, and I'll be guiding you through the session. So, starting with sitting in Ardha Sukha Asana. Place your left heel near the perineum area and place your right foot comfortably in front of you. If you are sitting cross-legged, even then it is totally fine. Okay, now straight your spine, rest your hands on the knees, close your eyes here. I want you to check your posture with eyes closed. Check your pelvic floor muscles touching on the mat. Check if your spine is straight. Relax your shoulders away from ears. Soften your face and have a gentle smile on your face. Now, inhale deeply but slow and exhale even longer. Observe your next 3 breaths. Bring your both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Let's chant one Om to begin the session. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. Let's set an intention for today's yoga class. Promise yourself to be on the mat and with your breath during the session. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you. Welcome to the session once again. For today we will be practicing a stress relieving session, a few asanas combined with pranayama. So starting with Kapalbhati, 30 strokes, 1 stroke per 1 second, and then at the end exhale and hold for 10 seconds. We will be moving like that. Let me explain how to do Kapalbhati once. Your spine should be straight. Don't put too much pressure on your shoulders. Simply tuck your navel in and throw your breath out in one go. Okay? It should be like, check my navel. If I place my hands here, so just hold the breath in your lungs out in one go. So we will do it together. 30 strokes, okay? Let's do it. Close your eyes. Once inhale, exhale, inhale and start. Exhale and hold. Inhale slowly. 3, 2, 1. Breathe normally. Keep your eyes closed. Starting with the second round, inhale, exhale through mouth, inhale and start. Exhale and hold. Inhale slowly. 3, 2, 1. Breathe normally. Stay here. Kapalbhati is a beautiful practice. It's a pranayama to cleanse the inner environment of our crown chakra. Energies moved instantly upward with the practice of Kapalbhati. Let's start with the third round. Inhale and exhale through mouth. Inhale and start. Exhale and hold. Inhale slowly. 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Breathe normally. Check the inner ambience of your body, especially your scalp area. Very gently open the eyes and let's move with a little bit of warm up. Now I want you to place your left hand on the left side. Place your right hand on the left ear and press your neck very gently to the right side. Stay here in the stretch. Breathe here. Close your eyes. Try to do belly breathing today. Your each breath should go as deep as up to your belly, even below your navel area. Release and switch the side. Right hand to the side. Place your left hand on the right ear and press it towards the left side. Release. Okay, next will be neck circles. We will be rotating it clockwise 3 times and anti-clockwise 3 times. Listen to the instructions first. Tuck your chin to the chest. Just look at me, then we will practice together. On exhale, chin to chest. While inhaling, take it back from the right side. Once you are back, start exhaling and come front from the left side. This is one cycle. We will do 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Okay? Be very gentle and be with the sensation in your neck area. Okay? You can close your eyes and we will do it together. Chin to chest on exhale. Inhale, go back from the right. Start exhaling and come front from the left. Inhale, go back. Exhale, come front. Just hang your head heavy to each side. Three, and once come up. Again on exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, take it back from the left side. Once you are back, start exhaling, come front from the right side. 1, 2, 3. Come up. Very nice. And now from here I want you to take your both the hands up, interlock your fingers inside out, and from here bend to your right, then to the left. 1. Be gentle today. 2. Keep your elbows straight. 3. 4. 5. Let's release all the stiffness from the body. Okay, come to the center. And now from here, turn your fingers inside. On exhale, take it in front of you and round your upper spine. On inhale, take it back and keep looking towards your hand. Exhale, come front, round the spine. Inhale, arc the spine. Take the hands up and back. 2. Inhale up. 3. 4. 5. One last time. Exhale, come down. Inhale, hands up. And now hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keeping the hands up, look front and exhale and release. Very nice. And now from here, next will be butterfly. 1 minute, close your eyes, straighten your spine and keep flipping your knees. Complete focus on your breath, and your breath should be little deeper than normal. If your focus goes away, bring it gently back to the base of the spine and your breath. Okay, release. And now you are in butterfly posture. Keep it here. Okay, I'm just showing you. We are sitting like this, and now start moving with your hands forward as far as you can go. Okay, make your arrival back. Come to the sitting posture. We will move 3 times. Again move forward. Come back. Let me adjust me. I have limited space. One last time. Come up. Now I want you to move to your left side. Okay, sitting in this posture only, and don't lift your this knee up. and go up to the availability of your body. So don't over push. Come to this side, just go wherever you can and stay here. Breathe here, 3 breaths. Exhale, make your arrival back, and let's move to other side. And exhale, make your arrival back to the center. Very nice. And now from here, come to Vajrasana. So how to fit in Vajrasana? I think everybody know. Still, let me explain. So this is the position, in kneeling position. Toes are pointing back and fit on your heels. Your big toes are joining, okay? Not overlapping, they are simply joining. So fit like this. Hands resting on the knees. 3 breaths. Close your eyes and be with your breath. Okay, now from here, place your hands on the right, press your palms and extend your legs in front of you. We will move for Janu Shirshasana. So bend your right leg, okay, and turn it to the outside. Place the sole of your right foot inside the left inner thigh. Left leg is pressing on the mat. Left toe is flexed and engaged. Whole left leg is engaged. Knee is straight and locked. Not locked with pressure but gently straight and engaged leg. Both the hands to the sides. Inhale, both the arms up, look up. On exhale, bend forward and hold your foot, big toe, toes or shin maybe. And just stay here. Take your head towards your knee. Stay here, 3 breaths. 3 deep inhale and even longer exhale. Very gently make your arrival back. And now switch the side. Straight your right leg. Bend your left leg. Same way, place the sole of your left foot inside the inner right thigh. This time right leg is engaged. Right toe is flexed. Both the hands to the sides. Inhale, arms up. On exhale, go down. Stay here. Very gently make your arrival back. Now straight your both the legs and we are moving for Paschim Uttanasana. Okay, both the legs are engaged this time, pressing on the mat. Both the feet are flexed. Inhale, both the arms up, look up. On exhale, go down. Hold your big toes, feet or shin, whichever is available to you. Okay, I'm holding my toes. Once I am here, inhale, straight the spine and look front. On exhale, go down. I'm reminding you again, don't overstretch. Just stay in a gentle stretch and breathe there. Close your eyes and stay there for 8 breaths. Okay, inhale and come up very gently. And now from here we will be holding in child pose today, again 8 breath. So come to Vajrasana position, come on your knees. So have a space between your both the knees, okay, and sitting on the feet, toes are together but not overlapping. So starting from here, be relaxed. You can have a pillow under your chest or head if you feel like that, but you should be in your most comfortable position. Slide forward with your hands and place your forehead on the mat. Stay here 8 breath. Be with your breath. Deep inhale and even longer exhale, and try that you should be breathing up to your belly. Stay 8 breath. Okay, make your arrival back very slow and gentle. And come to Ardha Sukhasana in the center of the mat. Now we will be practicing Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing here. So, breath should be long and slow. Don't over push the breath, and left hand will be in Gyan Mudra. Okay, this is Gyan Mudra. Join the tip of your thumb and index finger, and half index finger and these 3 fingers will be joining together. Okay, this is the position. And relax this part of your hand and wrist on the knee, so that your arm should be relaxed and there should be little bit tension due to mudra in your hand. Right hand will be in Vishnu Mudra. Bend first 2 fingers of the right hand, and we will use ring finger for closing the left nostril and thumb for closing the right nostril. Start at your own. Just ensure with the posture that your spine should be straight and breath should be very slow. 8 rounds, and do it on your own. Start by exhaling through left nostril and end by exhaling through left nostril. Okay, let's start. Release by exhaling through left nostril. And bring your right hand also to Gyan Mudra. Sit here, tilt your head little upward. Be receptive to the universal grace and sit in silent meditation for next 1 minute. Let's end the session with one Om chant. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. Be thankful to yourself for showing up on the mat today, for sparing this time for your mind, body and soul. Promise yourself to bring you on the mat every day. May this peace you just cultivate during the session travel with you even after the session during your day activities. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes very slowly, looking towards the floor in front of you. Namaste everyone. See you tomorrow.